Hey guys, it's Kelly. I am free for another 20 minutes or so, and I got a little sunshine coming in, but for all you guys with all the snow out there, I didn't think you'd mind a little sunshine. Anyway, I am playing with my Simon Says Stamp card kit, and I have a design here that I'm working on, and I kind of like it. First time I've ever done foiling. I stink at it, by the way. I have to use my laminator. Didn't turn out as good as I had hoped, but I'm sure it'll be fine. But I just used some of the ephemera in there. So I figured I would hop on here and do a quick video. And maybe, just maybe, you guys would like some inspiration on using that card kit. Or just making a card kit at all. I got my Misty out. And by the way, if y'all didn't notice, this... Oh, I'm missing a foot. Darn it. I need to find my foot. Look, I'm missing it. Oh, I have to find that. Anyway, your Tim Holtz guillotine cutter fits perfectly right on top of your Misty. If you haven't figured that out yet, there you have it. I'm just going to cut this to a more manageable piece of paper because I'm just going to do a little sentiment on here and finish my card. This is my Brutus Monroe sticky mat, and I don't know, there, it looks good. Stick it right on there. And I think I'm going to use the I Hope This Makes You Smile stamp. This came in the stamp set. This is the first time I'm opening this. I love the Simon Says Stamp card kits. Good value in them for sure. So if you guys aren't doing it, again, I'm not paid by them, but I just like it. I just like them. I like the way they run their show. I'm just going to do it in the corner here. Oh, you know what? I'm going to put it right in the middle. Leave myself some room in case I want to do some like fishtailing or something. So there we go. I always like to use my VersaFine. And I need to prime this. It's brand new. So I'm going to prime it with my dirty fingers. I always see that. And I'm like, my fingers aren't dirty. I wash them. But it's weird that rubbing it with the oils on your skin primes it. Kind of odd. But it's true. There we go. Oh my God, that turned out perfectly the first time. I'm going to leave it alone. And then, whoa, before I run out of time, it's a race against time. Oh, I'm going to emboss it really quick. Because I really, really stink at, oh no, I don't think I'm going to make it. Hold on, I got to emboss it with my clear embossing powder. Oh, I hope it's still wet. Ooh, looks, it worked. I made it in time. Okay. There we go. Let me put this guy down. I got a mess going here. I got to keep... I didn't plan on that until after I stamped it, so shame on me. That's kind of funny. I'm going to leave that stamp right there. I'll clean that up in a second. That's going to be okay just the way it is. And then I'm going to heat this sucker up. So please hold. I gotta heat it up. Heat up my heat gun. It's probably not going to be the best embossing. If not, I'll redo it. But for those that don't know, ooh, that turned out good. For those that don't know, I gave up on trying to emboss with different colors because, again, that's just another thing that I'm just not very good at. The little, no matter how many times I use my anti-static thing, it's all over the place. And I just decided to stamp it in an ink if I want a different color, and then use clear embossing powder. And then, because it's clear, the color of the ink will be what happens. If I mess up an embossing with clear, you don't see it. So... it's just the solution that I found works best for me. So I'm just going to cut this to a manageable size. And I know that that's way too much for my card, but I just want to play with it, see if it's going to work. I'm going to cut it tight. Pretty tight. And we'll see. I'm going to use my guides. I'm like, oh God, can you even see? There it goes. And use my guide again. Keep it nice and straight. Took me years to figure out that these guides are there for a reason. When I finally figured it out, I was like, oh my God, hallelujah. Because I was doing it wrong that whole time. And I was cutting things all wonky and crooked, and you know, you don't know what you don't know. But then when you know it, it's all good. It's all good. All right, I'm not sure if that shape is going to work for me, but let's take a look at my card design. These are just in the ephemera pack for my card kit. I don't like that at all. That just looks stupid. I don't like that at all. So the other plan was to put this little guy that came in the ephemera pack. And I think, yeah, I might have to lose this little, this is one of those little wax emblems, but obviously it's paper. But it looks cool. So I was thinking about putting this on there. And I don't know, I'm not really crazy about that either. But that's cute. I was thinking about sending this to my mama. She's so sweet. She is my best friend in the whole wide world. I think she would love to get this just the way that is. I hope you guys can see it. I know there's some glare on here, but I think that is so cute. The foiling came out good. It's on acetate. And I don't think I need to do much more to this. I think if I do too much, it's going to get too busy. These stickers also came in the kit. They're so pretty. And they're so dimensional. They're like thick. I mean, I guess I could try to add one of these maybe on the, but I don't know. I think I'll just leave it like it is. And then I'll have to put, I'll bend those little guys up a little bit. And then pop up the I love you a little bit. And less is more. Less is more. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Okay, cool. So how do you put this down, this acetate thing down without the glue showing through? I'm going to have to really decide where all of these go first, and then I'll glue underneath those. That's how you make it so that it doesn't show. So let me get my pop 'em up thingamajigger bobber. I've got a tube of it somewhere. You know what? I will use, oh, there it is. I keep it in the bag that it came in because, I don't know, I can't help it, but my foam tape. I got a little roll here. We'll just finish this one off. Okay, put that in the middle. I'm going to pop that up and see if I like that. I already like it. I've just decided to like it so that I can be less complicated. But yeah, I tell you, I overthink these sometimes, and I do. I just make it more confusing than it really has to be. So I'm gonna put this one right there. I think that's straight. Get my, there we go. And then I will put just some glue behind these, just some liquid glue. I think that'll do the job. And I'm going to use, oh, it's right in front of me. Sitting here looking around for it. I was struggling with this kit at first, and I think the reason why I'm struggling with it is because when I first saw it, I was like, oh, I love it. I want to use it for art journaling, and I'm going to do that. So I just love the ephemera that came in it. It has somewhat of a vintagey feel to it. Really like it. I'll put that butterfly right there. And I'm going to put this butterfly right down here. Not a whole lot of glue is really needed. That looks good right there. I don't want to wiggle it around too much because I'm putting it on acetate, so It's pretty slippery. And then we'll put this one right here. A little more straight. He's going to hug the I love you, or just love you. And I think that's cute. So cute. And then I have to very carefully, I'm being impatient right now. I should wait until it glues better. But I'm going to put just glue underneath my sentiment, underneath my butterfly, so that it all hides. So some people get confused on how to hide it, and that's how you do it. And you put it down. I'm going to go with less is more on this. Ha ha. And then on the inside, I'm not sure, but I'll probably use some of these on the inside. We will see. But I just want to do a quick video, show you guys one card with some inspiration on what to do. I didn't like how this worked. This is really cute, but it just didn't work with the design. It will work with others, but not with this one. So, and that is perfectly fine. So I hope you guys like it. I hope that that inspired you to make something with your kit that you got. Hopefully you guys got it. I love this kit. It's got so much in it. And there you have it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to have more to come with some art journaling with some of the stuff I got in the kit.